God, COVID positive. Fine. I am back. I know it's been a very okay. I know it's been a very long gap, but I am back, and it's because I wanted to share something with you all, and maybe accept the fact that this is it. Okay, ho chuka hai. Yesterday I was officially tested positive for COVID-19. I don't know how to feel about it. Okay, it's just that I never thought that I would contract COVID because जैसे मेरे दोस्त घूमते हैं उनके हिसाब से तो if I compare it with them then I was way more careful, but yeah हो चुका है. So day before yesterday I felt very sick. Like I had a headache, I had fever, like yeah, fever. I wouldn't say high fever, but I had fever, and I also had a dry cough, and my flatmates were like a bit concerned. So what we did was like we bought this antigen home testing antigen antigen test at home antigen test, yeah, something like that. So the brand that I used was Covi Self, Covi Find, yeah, something like that. So we used that, and within a minute I put in my sample. It just showed two red lines, and I was like very surprised, and I didn't know how to react to it. And the next day, that is yesterday, we called the Apollo Hospital people, and they send their lab technician to check for the sample. They took the sample and everything at home. It was at home collection thing, and they took it, and they were like, don't worry, it's okay, since you took already 2 doses of vaccine, it should be fine, you won't be much affected. And I was like very positive. I was like, maybe it's like a false positive, so it's okay. But I was attending a meeting, I was attending a session for my something related to my internship, and that's when I got my result, and there it was written that I am positive. COVID-19 is positive, and then yeah, and I have a very high viral load basically. But since I am already vaccinated, fully vaccinated, I took 2 doses of Covaxin while I was in Bangalore the last time. So yeah, apparently that's a reason that I'm not feeling like super sick. I'm just feeling a minor inconvenience that I feel during a normal viral fever that I am used to getting. So I thought, let me just make a vlog out of it. Basically like COVID vlog or COVID vlog. I don't know, I haven't decided upon a name. Once I get decide upon a specific name or something, I'll put it up as the title, and you'll come to know, obviously. And you have to adjust to this now. Okay, just get adjusted to it. You have to listen me ramble and cry about how unfair it is that I took all the precautions. Yeah, there was a minor uh, yeah, I basically, you can say, I put myself into this situation because of which I got COVID. Yeah, I agree to it. But then, yeah, dude, I took so much care, and I feel so bad for my flightmates because it wasn't really their fault. I hope no one else gets. So this is also a reminder to all the people I met during the last week or so. Please isolate yourself. I made sure that I text, call everyone I remember whom I met, and give them a reminder that yeah, I am positive. Please take care of yourself. Yeah, I did that too. And today an incident happened. So basically, as you all already know, that I am from Bombay and I am in Bangalore. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you obviously won't know where I am. So I'm in Bangalore right now. But then I had initially done a COVID test to travel somewhere from Mumbai. So the ICMR people have my details, okay, of the Mumbai address. So what happened was, like, today I got a call from the municipal corporation people over there in Mumbai, like from the place where I stay, stating that they are down at my building and they can't really find my house. And I'm like, why are you there? I am here. And they were like, madam, आपने तो इधर का एड्रेस है. नो, मैंने यहाँ का एड्रेस दिया, जहाँ पे हूँ मैं वहाँ पे नहीं है, तो मैं वहाँ का एड्रेस क्यों दूंगी? So it was like a very big confusion. Apparently there is some error from there, and I hope it gets resolved, and the officials from the Karnataka government, or whoever is looking after the COVID sector, uh, the COVID, oh, you understand what I mean. So I hope they come, the municipal corporation, yeah. So I hope they come and do the necessary things that's needed. Yeah, that's about it. And yesterday I wasn't feeling super sick. Yeah, I had slight fever. I wouldn't even call it fever because I had 97 something degree Fahrenheit. Yeah, so I had 97.5 something. That's like not that high. And yeah, my I have an oximeter, like we bought it, so the oximeter is great. So I'm particularly fine. It's just I feel like I have normal cold and cough, and that's all. And I am traveling too much. I don't know. It feels weird to talk to a camera right now after so long. I am not yet used to it. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you people have a great day. Please take care of yourself. Please wear mask, use the sanitizers. And if you have not taken the vaccine, please find a slot. Please take it. Otherwise, I feel lucky because I took both the shots, because of which I am not suffering much, because I know my mom just told me that my aunt, she was so sick because she got COVID, and then compared to her, I'm pretty much okay, doing, like, I normally do fall sick. So take the vaccine when you get a chance. It's okay, you will be fine. Yeah, there would be discomfort for like a day or two, but then it's good for you for the longer run. And today, while I was searching for something related to ICMR, I also read that the COVID-19 antibodies that you get due to vaccine stays in your body for more than 1 year. Dude, how cool is that? So basically, get yourself vaccinated, stay hydrated. Okay, I need to drink a lot amount of water. Stay hydrated, stay safe, wear mask, don't go out if it's not necessary. I have to remind that myself now that I can't go out. Yeah, and what else? Stay happy, be kind to the people on the internet. Okay, bye.